Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, pt1, and if you guys also want to follow me on Instagram, pt1, today we're going to be doing a box break of the Yu-Gi-Oh! Legend of Blue Eyes White Dragon. This is a Korean version. It was printed 2011, so it's 9 years old. And pretty much what I'm looking for is the Blue Eyes White Dragon, the Red Eyes Black Dragon, Exodia Head, or a Dark Magician would be fine. So I'm looking for those hits, and let's get it started, guys. So yeah, I've always been a Yu-Gi-Oh fan. I kind of stopped right after I stopped Pokemon, I started Yu-Gi-Oh, but after a while, I think everybody did the same thing. They jumped to Yu-Gi-Oh from Pokemon. See if I could, let's see, there's tape here or what? Yeah. There you go. Wow. Check this out, guys. That is crazy. There's a lot of packs in here. Holy crap. That is awesome. Check it out, guys. They're all Legend of the Blue Eyes White Dragon. That is sick. So I'm gonna mix some of them. Like I said, I might not open all of them. Might open just half of them. I'm gonna mix them, and let's see what we could pull, guys. Quick shuffle. I'm doing it over here. I'm excited. It's been so long I opened Yu-Gi-Oh packs, guys, especially these types. It's definitely gonna be nostalgic. But yeah, guys, Yu-Gi-Oh's definitely a big hit. It's not as definitely not as big as Pokemon, or especially now, 2020. But I think eventually it might catch up. I mean, I don't think it's ever gonna like catch up to what Pokemon is, but it's definitely gonna bounce upwards. It's already starting to bounce upwards. I've seen some of these cards, like the older sets, like the original in English, first edition, go for anywhere from like 5,000 to like, it's getting up there. You know what I mean? Like, not as much as Pokemon. Pokemon is starting to reach 200K. The Charizard first edition. You know what I mean? But all right, this looks pretty shuffled. I'm not gonna shuffle like the whole video, but I just wanted to mix them so they won't be like, from the actual box, the order they do it. So let me count how much is in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, we're gonna do 20 packs. Put this one over here. Alright, let's go. Wish me luck, guys. Like I said, I'm trying to pull those cards, and start with the first one, Legend of the Blue Eyes White Dragon. Now there is a seal that I could tear it here, but let me see how these rip. Kinda, oh yeah, they're kinda hard. Should I just tear them from the bottom? I think I might just do that. I like to keep these artworks, they're beautiful. The thing about scissors, guys, just be careful if you do it. You don't want to cut their cards. But, I mean, it's pretty cool. Alright, wow. These are fresh cards, guys, and they're definitely real. From Korean. I don't know the names, guys, so I'm just gonna go through it. It's been so long, and I'm not like, if it was Pokemon base edition first, like the base unlimited, I would have probably say the names. But with Yu-Gi-Oh, it's been too long, so I'll show you if I get a rare or anything like that. And this one we don't have nothing. This is probably the rare, but yeah, it's nothing. So that's pretty cool. Alright, next one. Let me see how I'm gonna open this one. I wanna see if I could open it like this, but how? There you go. Yeah, they're very hard to open. I don't know how some of these professional YouTubers do it so easily, like from the top. That's crazy. Without bending the cards in. Yeah, not the best, but. Alright guys, see what we got. Anything good? Anything good? Nice. Double-headed dragon, I think. Nice. So no rare yet. I mean, well, this one and the other one was a rare, but no holographic yet. No shiny. I know. Like if they're rare, they'll have the top of the name kind of like shiny. So let me see how this works. Nah. There you go. That was faster. There you go. That's how I kind of want to open them, just like that, so they could save the artwork. That's pretty cool. Alright, anything good, guys? Anything good? Wow, these are nice cards, man. A lot of nostalgia. It's like if it was 2003 again. Ooh, there you go. We have our first hit. This is the I don't remember the name, Fire Dragon or something like that. But like I said, the top is kind of hollow, the name. So this is our first rare. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna set this out over here on the side. Nice. Alright, let's go, let's go. So I could do the same thing with this one. Some of these are real hard to open. Wait 1 second, guys. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use the scissors on this one, guys. I'm so sorry. Wasn't able to do it. My hands are kind of slippery right now. Not sure why, but I'm a little nervous. There you go. Ooh, I like this card. The Wolf. I don't know if I remember it, but I remember it. Just trying to get that focus. There you go. Nice. So much memories, man. So with this one, there's no rare. Well, I think the last one's the rarest, but not all of them are gonna be hollow the name. So usually when they're hollow the name, that's definitely a rare for sure. Let's see if I could open this one out. Oh man. So you can open them from the side like that, but I kind of don't like doing that. See how the pack ruins the pack, right? So I know a lot of y'all probably like, why do you care about the pack? But that's how I am, you know. I like to collect my packs and keep them. When I was younger, like no way I would throw them away, but now as I'm getting older, As I've gotten older, I like to keep the packs. So I think this is a bodyguard armor. I'm not sure. Let's go. Can we get our first hit? Hollow. Nope. We got a rare. So there's a shiny. You see that? That's pretty cool. Put that over here on the rares and put these over here. Alright, how many packs have we gone through? 1, 2, 3. Wow, we already got 5 packs down, guys. So 15 left. See if we can hit anything. Hopefully. These are super hard to open. There you go. Any big hits? Any big hits? You would think we might have something, maybe. Oh man, I thought it was something, but no, it's nothing. Alright, I'm gonna try to go faster, guys. I don't want to board you guys out. I want to just open it from the bottom. I'm not a pro yet at opening these these packs, man. Wow, that one's nice. Ooh, nice. I like that one. That one's for sure called Mountain. I remember that one. Skeleton guy. Ooh, our next rare guy. It's not a hollow, but that's nice. The Angel Cat. I don't remember the name, but that's pretty cool. See that hollow on the top? That's awesome. Alright, let's move on. So far we got in 3 rares. Well, 3 rares. Name hollows and no hollow yet. So hopefully we'll get a hollow soon. If I'm not mistaken, there's 6 hollows in these booster boxes. So if everything's right, we should get 3. But how I did mix them, we might not get none. Who knows? So we got that one, that one, that one. Can we do it? Nope, but another rare. That's pretty cool. Alright, so I got 4 rares already. No hollow yet, guys. So hopefully get a hollow soon. This one opens up. Oh wow. So some open pretty fast. And some just don't open at all. So that's very weird. They got really like sealed right. There you go. Wow, that's cool. If I could open everyone like that, would be nice, but I know that's not possible. Skeleton guy. Let's see, let's go, let's go. I remember that one. It's cool. Oh man, nothing yet. Pretty cool though. I don't remember this one. It's been a while. I like these cards, man. They're very fresh. They smell like brand new, like out of the box. Like wow. For being like 9 years old, damn. That's crazy. Alright, let's see if I could do the same thing with this one. No. That's only on certain. Oh, there you go. On certain cards, you could do that. Alright, so I was able to do this one. That's awesome. Hopefully we get our first holo, guys. GOAT. Nope, no holo. Wow, I already have quite a few packs. Let me come in packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, 10 packs, guys. No holo yet. Hopefully we'll get one soon. We're pretty much 1/4 of the box done. So yeah, that's crazy. There we go. It's kind of risky doing that, but they're very kind of hard to open. So. Can we finally pull holo, guys? Let's go. Nice. I remember that one. That one's cool. No holo, but we got a rare, so that's pretty cool. This is our 5th rare, guys. Wow. Try and get a zoom in. There you go, so you guys can see it. Pretty cool, right? But no holo yet. Running out of space over here where to put the rares. Hold on. Bear with me, guys. Alright. Will this be the one? Let's find out. Alright, that was real easy. I'm just gonna put them on. Maybe I'm starting to get the hang of it, maybe. A little bit. Oh, I think we might have our first holo, I think. I'm not sure. Can we do it? Can we do it? Nope. Another rare. Wow. Well, that one's cool. That's a cool rare. Alright, guys. We gotta hurry up. Let's do it. Come on. Can we pull holo? I think I'm getting the hang of opening these now. That one was not a good open. I gotta be careful now. I'm just gonna use the scissors. The hell is it? I don't want to damage the car, especially this is a hollow one. So, even with the pull tabs they did, they're still very hard to open. And I saw a guy on YouTube saying that they're very hard to open. So, all right. Nope, no holo, guys. Wow. I'm surprised. I'm sorry. I guess because I shuffled them, maybe. But that's crazy. No holo yet. Alright, it should be faster doing it like this. I give up trying to open it professional. Can we pull the holo, guys? Can we? No. Alright. I gotta keep trying, never give up. Right? Let's do it. Can we pull a hollow? Let's do it. Oh, nice. I think this is called a ruby. A ruby. I remember a dinosaur. It's pretty cool. Nice. Another dragon. Nope. Wow, guys. I'm getting near the finish of 20 packs and we haven't put a hollow yet. Half a box. That's crazy. What the hell? Hold on. Oh man, I think I opened it too. I need to go a little bit more lower. There you go. Can we pull a hollow, guys? Hopefully. So you guys can see. Nice. Oh, another rare, but no hollow. Wow. So I already pulled 7 rares, guys. 7 rares, no hollow. That is crazy. Hold on. Alright, we got 4 packs left, guys. Can we pull hollow, man? This is crazy. Surprisingly, for a 40 booster pack box, I was thinking hopefully there was like 7 or 8 hollows, but after all the videos I've seen on YouTube, there's only 6 guaranteed hollows. Can this be the pack, guys? Can this be the pack? Nope, but that's a nice rare. I like that one. That's cool. Alright. Moving on. I think we got 3 packs left. Can there be a hollow in here? Let's check it out. Now we don't pull no hollows. That means the other 20 should have 6 hollows. Should. Can't guarantee it, but should have 6 hollows. Let's do it. Oh wow, same rare. Wow, that's crazy. So we did a double on the rare. I already have like 8-9 rare, guys, and no hollow. It's crazy. Did I get scammed? 2 packs left, guys. Can we do it? Oh my god, nope, another rare. Wow. We're going hard on the rares, that's for sure. But no hollow. Last pack, guys, out of 20 packs. Can we finally do it? Can we finally pull hollow? Let's find out. Oh, I remember that one. It's cool. Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it? Oh my god, no hollow. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video. This is part 1, and the second part is going to be the other 20 packs. And like I said, there should be 6 hollows in these packs. There's 20 left. So yeah guys, I'll see you on the part 2. Stay tuned.